Here we go. It's pretty ridiculous, right?
Yeah, it is. A whole lot faster.
Yeah. This is a different car. So
Is
it's
that
like,
with traction control
it's like
on?
an animal. Yeah, so I left it on. It keeps you in check.
Yeah.
All right, let's try from a dig, and then you can kind of see what the traction's like if you just hit it with it off. It hooks pretty good.
Yeah.
One thing that I just absolutely love about these cars is you throw it back in tour, it's a little quieter.
Yep.
You get the raw animal beast when you want it, and then you can take it to dinner, you know, and be pretty chill when you don't want it. You guys do a lot of shows and stuff?
Yeah. We're in a Camaro club up there.
Okay.
Like I said, we've got a heck of a group of people. We have a blast with that.
That's one of the best things to me about the car community in general. It's just having fun with people and sharing the experience and stuff like this. I love showing you guys, like, this is what your car can do. It's so awesome. Here, why don't you guys stand outside behind it and you can hear it. I don't know if you've really heard it yet.
It was great. It's awesome.
Awesome, loved it.
Made the right choice. Oh yeah, we'll be telling everybody about it.